It's a long driveway, a long sidewalk. It's just taking a little long.
Wow, there's so beautiful snow. I like snow. It's so pretty. White. Look at that tree.
It looks, third one looks like a little guy.
Yeah. I'm amazed how this guy don't even cover his head. And where's the other boy that wears shorts? He ran inside. He ran back inside. Yeah, he was wearing shorts while.
Snow they think it's fun.
Oh no, he's there. I can see him. He was in the other
In
side.
winter, they won't think
Yeah,
it's fun.
I can see the other boy who wears shorts. Oh my God, this is so beautiful, snowy.
Oh boy.
I heard from a news that we will be having like 11 inches of snow
Is
today.
that right?
Yeah,
Wow.
because
That's quite a bit, yeah.
it's snowing from I think it's 3 a.m. I'm not really sure. This morning, early morning, and then we'll stop around 8 p.m. today. And they say that we will be having around 11 inches of snow, which is really nice, but it's really cold. And we can make a snowman. You want to make a snowman with me? They're very hard working.
That snow is light. Wait.
Yeah.
Now,
Yes.
if it settles down, it gets hard to shovel.
True. And it becomes icy. Can you see the icy road over there? Yeah. Because it's wet. I think because it was raining before snowing. That is slippery. They must be careful. It's too slippery. Today is November 29, 2025. Storm, snow, snowstorm. Snowstorm. Yeah, that's the correct word. I was trying to say snowstorm today. So we have a lot of snow here, and it's still 10 a.m. And snowstorm will stop around 8 p.m. today, and now still 10 a.m. So we will get more snow, lots of them. It's hard to travel with this snowy road. That family out there, they're very hard working. And the kid wear shorts only, not pants. And the dad, no cover on his head. So amazing. Oh, well, we're hiding inside the house.